Hey everyone, today I'm installing the TopFit Model 3 phone holder. Now it's the Model 3 phone holder because they made it for the Model 3 and the Model Y screen is the exact same size. The company wanted to send it to me just to check it out with the Model Y, see what I think about it and make sure that it fits. It definitely fits because it's literally exactly the same. But they wanted to check just to be sure, which I totally understand. Basically what it lets you do is it lets you mount a phone, and it also adds a wireless phone charger, which on the Model 3 would have been adding to it, but with the Model Y it comes with one, so it's kind of like adding an additional one, but it makes it so your phone is right there in view. And it attaches to the side of the screen, so it comes off of the side of the screen and kind of extends it almost and adds other things to it, since in the normal Tesla Model 3 or Model Y dash it's just flat and it's a little further in front of you that it's not really very practical to put one of those suction cup mounts on there. Plus I wouldn't want to do that to my dash in the first place, and also the screen handles most everything that I need, so why would I really need this? Well, what I've concluded is that it's mostly going to be very useful for people who do Uber or Lyft with their Tesla. The first step is you slide this plastic bracket over the screen and it fits nice and snug. It's not an issue at all. And basically that bracket then has brackets on the back that their accessories clip into. So as you'll see on the left side, there's a little bracket there that lets you attach the phone holder. And now this actually comes with two different phone mounts. One of them is the more traditional charging one, and it kind of clamps on it electronically. And that charges it, and it is the fast charger that it includes. It includes one of those Qualcomm 3.0 fast chargers that plugs into the 12-volt outlet. Now for me, I wouldn't really want to even use the 12-volt plug because I don't want that plug to run down to the front and then run back to under the armrest. I'd rather just put it in the front part of the center console, but someone might want to do that, and it comes with that. But it does come with another one that's all rubber, and it says no noise phone holder, so it's possible that the other one has noise. I actually didn't try it when I was driving it, so I don't really know if there's noise on the normal one that charges it. But you can mount those on the left side, or it comes with a bracket to put it on the right side, and it pretty much does the same thing. I feel like the right side's a little too far away for most people, but depending on what your use is, it could be useful to have it on the right side. Actually, it just occurred to me in any country where you're driving on the right side, you're definitely going to want that. And then it comes with this other accessory, which is actually honestly kind of my favorite part, which is a sunglasses holder that goes right behind the screen. I like it because it's hidden when you're driving. It's just right behind the screen, and it's one of those things I could kind of easily access, because sunglasses you never really want to dig for in the center console, and it's nice to have them right there easily accessible and you can just keep them there. I guess my only complaint with this would be that they're definitely out in the open in view for people to see, so if you have some nice sunglasses, they're going to be on display. But if you use it all together, you basically have a phone mount and then you have your sunglasses holder, and it could be very useful depending on what you need. For me, I don't picture myself really using this honestly, because the sunglasses are kind of on display, and I also don't really like the look of the clamp on there. It's not too bad. It doesn't make it look that bad in my opinion if the features are good for you. But it's not the best. I kind of like the clean look of the display just as it is. And if I have to use my phone for something, I would rather just quickly touch it on the wireless charging pad that the Model Y comes with, as opposed to having it out there in front of me all the time. But I do think if you're going to drive Uber or Lyft, or you're maybe doing a delivery service or something like that, and you always need access to your phone as well as navigation or two different things, it could be very useful. I will say that when I took it off again, it did leave a little bit of kind of a black mark. It doesn't look like a scratch, but maybe it is a scratch because the piece that clamps on is plastic. It's not that noticeable, and I'll probably never notice it again, but I did notice it, and if you're super sensitive about that, be very careful with that, or don't get this. But if it is something you need and you're going to have it on there at all times, and you're not going to be sliding it on and back off all the time. So that's it. It's pretty simple. It's a bracket and then two different phone mounts that it includes. Then it comes with the cigarette lighter 12-volt plug, as well as the cable that goes USB-A to USB-C. So in the Model Y, if you want to use your built-in port, you'll have to use your one USB-A port in the front, or you can plug in the 12-volt plug in the armrest. Then it comes with the no noise mount as well as the sunglasses mount. If you want to check this out, again, it's the TopFit Model 3 phone holder, and it's still called that because it fits on both the Model 3 and the Model Y. They'll probably update that soon. You can check it out in the link in the description below. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for lots more updates about Tesla and tech in general, and definitely going more in depth on the Model Y with specific accessory videos like this on this specific channel. You can also check out my other channel called Ryan Shaw. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Ryan Shaw Tech. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.